Hello and welcome to this course, An Introduction to AI for Community Language School Teachers. AI is becoming very big in our society, and I'd like to share with you an introduction to explaining what it is, and then take you through how you, as a community language school teacher, can effectively use AI to create activities for your classes. I hope you enjoy this learning. During this course, as well as teaching about AI, I'm going to be modelling some explicit teaching techniques. When you see a slide with this pink colour on it, you'll know that I'm modelling an explicit teaching technique. So as well as learning about AI, I hope that community language school teachers can increase their knowledge of this evidence-based teaching technique. One really important explicit teaching technique is to always begin your lesson with an introduction. So now let's go ahead with the introduction for this course. When you look at these four pictures, you can see that they all contain something that is artificial. The first picture on the left is artificial flowers. Then the man has an artificial leg. There's artificial trees and artificial grass. Artificial. These are all examples of things that are made by humans. They don't occur naturally. You don't find them in nature. These versions of things are made. They are artificial. Intelligence is a little bit harder to define, but here are some pictures to give you some thoughts around what intelligence is. The pictures up the top are what many people traditionally think of as examples of intelligence: maths and science. But if you look at the picture down the bottom on the left there, this is a picture of relational intelligence, social, emotional intelligence. These are also kinds of intelligence. And then there's a picture of the brain, and many people think of intelligence as being what happens in the brain. But also, of course, the whole body contains a nervous system that gives us information, that helps us to discern what's going on, what's right, what's wrong. So intelligence is a little bit harder to understand, but I hope that these pictures can give you a feel for what intelligence means. So AI stands for artificial intelligence. And hopefully now you have a sense for what artificial means and what intelligence means. Checking for understanding is an explicit teaching technique that teachers use after they've taught something to the class. So I've now introduced these important concepts to you of what artificial is, what intelligence is, and what artificial intelligence is. So now would be a great time to do a check for understanding. We're going to go to a quiz so that you can do a check for understanding and make sure that you have understood these important concepts for our course.